Today I'm going to do the cruise. Go out there and today I'm going to do this cruise. It's on Lake Mead. It's the Desert Princess. It's like an hour and a half. It's kind of windy out here today. I got like 30 minutes for it to leave. There's the Desert Princess. It says it's a paddle boat, but it's it doesn't have no paddles on it. Look at it. See it? Yeah, it's windy out here. I'll show you around. It's supposed to go to the dam. It's an hour and a half long. So, it'll be cool. Just be an easy, nice day. Go around the lake, I guess. Check it. Bummer. Guest skylines. No pets allowed, no picnics, coast guards, shoes, firearms, regular old stuff. See if I can get out here. Find some place, some shade. There's a nice restaurant over that way. And then there's another restaurant over that way. That's Lake Mead Harbor. Let me show you what I'm looking at here. Take off at 12 o'clock. They blow the whistle. We go in the gift shop. Show you around the gift shop. Oh, it's cooler in here. Outside it's windy as hell out there. So. I think I'll sit in here instead of outside. Everybody got the shade out there. I'll show it to you. Hi. It's a windy day today. Let me get a window that doesn't have a thing on there. See, everybody took that shade spot over there. So. See what time it is. I'm sitting here waiting for the boat to go. I got a half an hour. And it's windy as hell outside. So. Oh, Lordy. Well, I've been wanting to do this for a while, so we'll see. We'll see how it is. I'll let you know how it is. You'll see it. All right. Hope you enjoy the film. All right. Bye. Okay, here we go. That's that little lift that they take boats up, put them on their little rafts. Okay, here we go. Good morning. How are you? Good. I'm going up on the top deck. 120 people. Alright. The top deck. I don't know how you get up all the way on the top deck. Let's go inside. Oh, they have a bar in here. Okay. I don't know how to get up on the top deck. Oh. I'll get a drink later. Oh, they got a full bar. Oh, let's see. Oop. Go ahead. Oh. Let me get that way. Thank you. Maybe I can get up here. Oh, I could have got. Oh, that was emergency exit. How do I get up on top? Oh, there it is. See, there's no paddles on that thing. There's an engine. Okay, let's get up here. Here we go. This is where I want to be. Now that's what I'd like to have. So I like a houseboat. Yes. I think we got about a few minutes before we take off. About time. About time to go have a drink. Yep. I don't know, I'm going to stay up here until they take off. I guess we go up that way. The dam is out that way. You can see where the water level drops. They say 150 feet. Does that look like 150 feet? Yeah, about that. I can't tell if it's recording or not. No marijuana products. You can drink alcohol, but no marijuana products. It's windy. Look at they're shoring up the shoreline because the Lake Mead is going down so low. They're bringing dirt to try to get the boat ramp out because I think there's only one boat ramp here open in Lake Mead. All the other ones are grounded. Looks like we're taking off. Yep. Looks like they're unhooking us, huh? Where are they? Oh, we're moving. Yeah, they're... Lake Mead cruises. Yeah, we're moving. So an hour and a half. See what those paddle things go. Village from. So how can they call it a paddle boat? Paddles ain't even going. There's not even paddles on that one. There's no paddles on that one.
Session there. Canyon and Hoover Dam. As we get underway on our excursion, there are a few nautical terms we'd like you to know and some rules of shipboard behavior we'd like you to follow. The forward section of the Desert Princess is the bow. The rear of the boat, where the paddle wheel is located, is the stern, and that's why the Desert Princess is called the stern wheeler. When you're facing the bow, the right side of the boat is the starboard side. The left is the port side. You came aboard on the main deck of the Desert Princess, and this is where you'll find your area. Turn the heads. The heads are located near the bow area. See where we're going, and at the stern so you can see where we've been. The open area at the stern is also a great place to watch the paddle wheel at work. The top deck, which is also called the Hurricane or the Promenade deck, has additional seating and
look at that one.
View of the dramatic
Oh, it's got a little cabana in the top deck. That looks cool.
Use the trash cans and ashtrays provided, and remind you that there is no smoking allowed inside our enclosed deck areas. Please don't throw any trash or cigarette butts over the side. Remember, here on the lake we are the guests of Mother Nature. Ashore, when you are in a backcountry area, you should leave nothing behind but your footprints. Today, on this beautiful lake, let's leave nothing behind but our wake. Now, a few words about shipboard safety. And I would like you boys and girls and your parents to listen very closely. First, there is no running allowed aboard the Desert Princess. Running on board a ship is very dangerous because of wet spots on the metal decks and stairs. These wet spots can be very slippery, and if you're running and hit one of them, you can slip and hurt yourself or fall over the side. And that water is very deep. So boys and girls, please don't run, and always use the handrails when climbing up or down the stairs. And please don't play in the stairwells. Other passengers are using them to get from deck to deck. Please don't run the hell. Thank you for your cooperation, and as we get underway, relax, make yourself comfortable, and enjoy the ride.
Isn't that amazing? I think it's Miller time. Miller time. See if they're working. Hey, there's no paddles. There's paddles on that one, no paddles on that one. Alright, let's go downstairs and get them. How do I get down here?
And there is much here that came long years ago to the ship came across the Sapphire. The sea on the stern. Little was known of that ancient time. found in rocks.
Somebody's that way. I go this way. Check this out here. Yeah, that wind's just blowing. I'm sitting inside. Got me a Budweiser. I'm going to sit back and watch the ride.
I'll be back in a few minutes with more history of England's Lake Mead. The story of Lake Mead about 15,000 years ago when the president visited. San Bernardino, and the nearest railroad was in what was then the small village of Las Vegas. Road construction materials had to be in addition to building the dam, the builder, 6 companies also had to create a list of this New City was one of America's first planned cities. It is the only municipality out there
the dam's coming up. But look how far, look how high that went. I want to get up on the top deck.
Nothing like this practice has been attempted. New techniques and equipment have been developed to deal with the problems that arose. Hoover Dam became the model of dozens of
Let's go.
projects that followed.
Going up on the top deck. The dam's coming up. I want to see it. It's windy as hell out there. Oh, there's the dam. Whoa! Try to get up here.
3 drowned, 10 killed by explosions, 5 electrocuted, 26 were struck by falling debris.
They're talking about how many people.
Were struck by heavy equipment.
How many people died?
In an elevator accident and 1 in a cableway accident.
So how many total?
Contrary to folklore, of these 96 men, none are buried in the dam.
96 people are dead. Trying to get out of the winter.
Oh, Sue, go
Rose
away.
that spring to 65 feet above the sea. The state line marking the Arizona-Nevada border. Chronic traffic congestion and as a way to ease security concerns across one of America's most celebrated landmarks.
Oh, the wind stopped.
The four-lane concrete arch spans more than a quarter mile between the high wall and Black Canyon, nearly 900 feet above the Colorado River. It's constructed for the strongest of any major highway bridge in the U.S. Concrete arch Hoover Dam is a friendly engineering marvel dam itself. Hoover Dam, Davis Dam, which is located 70 miles downstream and was completed in 19.
See, they're not even moving. There's the dam. Look at it. It used to be all the way up to the top. how fast the wind's going up there. See the clouds going? Gotta get the dam in there. It's less windier this way. Look at that. 150 feet. Imagine it. That's amazing. But in the front. It is. It's amazing how that water drops. Oh. Out in the front here. Danger, crew only. Let's see. Got to see the dam. We're going to go all the way up there. But I think I can put down another beer before there. Huh? Yeah, that sounds good. Oh shit. $6 a beer. That ain't bad, because usually in Vegas it's $10 a beer. So. But you can see where we're coming in. I want to show you those rocks over there.
Recreation, the primary creation of the fall
dock right there. We try to work my way up there. Ah.
Hell, even if it stayed here, I'd be happy with it. But I No, I want to see Lyle Crocodile. Yeah, I did see that. October 2nd. Now he's going to go. Yep. Go back to the town. That's all things everybody has done. This has been up here since the 40s. Just like this one. Or it's going to go that way.
Oh, it's going to let the wind blow us in.
Yeah.
Let's see how he does this.
I just saw a fish jump. I just saw a fish
Oh, he's going to bump it. Oh, he bumped it. Ah. We're back. And that was my trip on the boat. A little more. A little more. A little more. Come on. A little more. Yep, we got it. Yay! Well, that was fun. I lost my smokes out there. It was windy as hell, but it was pretty cool. It was nice, relaxing. Just a nice cruise around the lake. That's the first time I've been wanting to do that for years. I like to do like the dinner cruise. That would be cool. All right.